Alright, here's the update on the old International. It's still in the shop. The part's still floating around in the ocean somewhere about but as of the Green Pete Boogermobile, it has a lot of issues. I'm pretty much starting over again. There's a little bit of noise in the motor, fifth wheel shot, no heat in the bunk, got a shake, throw out bearing bad, one of the mufflers are coming apart from the inside. A lot of screws, a lot of parts, dash parts broke, real soft. So I don't know. I don't think I want to get involved in another project truck, so we'll see how it goes. I'm hoping mine will get done here shortly. I miss the old girl. I got plans for it. Once I get out of the shop, I'm gonna, like I said, put new exhaust on it. I put some 6-inch straight pipes on it on both sides. Replace all the fuel tanks. Put chrome ones back on. Get one big long one. Put a third tank. And get some 24-inch rims, polished chrome rims put on it all the way around. So that's the update. So Christmas is coming, so things are a little slow for everybody. So when you get to it, have a nice Christmas. I don't know if I'll put out another video before then or not. Old Pumpkin Eye here. Hey, Patty. She's kind of just chilling right here. Hey. Hey. Oh, you see yourself? Oh. Don't like seeing yourself, do you? So, that's the update.